I'm Dr. Biblash Babu, Chief Consultant Cosmetic Surgeon, Cosmetic Clinic, Chakai, Trivandrum. So here we want to discuss something about the methods of liposuction. We all know about the term liposuction. It is used for removing the fat from your body which are unwanted, and there are so many methods which is there during the timeline, like from the suction assisted liposuction to the latest Vaser and laser assisted liposuction. So always there's a confusion, how does these techniques differ? What's the difference between a suction assisted liposuction, a power assisted liposuction, and a Vaser and a laser, and which is good for you, and how to select between the surgeons or centers who do these procedures. So the purpose of this talk is to enlighten you with these methods so that you can have a better idea about which type of procedure is suiting you for your problem. So suction assisted liposuction is a technique in which we use different sized cannulas, and we select the cannula size and the length according to which region is getting liposucked. Sometimes longer cannulas are required when you have an access incision well away from the site of interest. Then you need longer cannulas, and in some areas, like very cosmetically important delicate regions, you have to use smaller size cannulas like 2.5 or 3 mm cannulas, like neck and the face. So these cannulas can be selected, different cannulas can be selected, and a suction machine is connected to the other end of the cannula tube, and the fat is aspirated, and the fat is completely aspirated by the movement of the surgeon, in a to and fro movement by the surgeon on patient's body. So these are inserted to small ports which are around or slightly away from the region of interest for liposuction. So that is about suction assisted liposuction. The short term for that is SAL. The expansion for SAL is suction assisted liposuction. So the next generation of that SAL is called power assisted liposuction. As the name say, it is power assisted. So what does this power do? It helps the cannula to move to and fro or have a vibration, so that it while the surgeon moves once under the skin, the machine moves multiple times because of the vibration of the cannula tip. So the advantage is the power assisted liposuction gives more precision, and the surgeon can mainly concentrate on that particular region and keep the machine and slowly move in that region, and the machine take care of the fine movements. So the surgeon can have a finer movement in that particular region and have more control over the fat aspirated. Also, because of this, you can use a smaller size cannula since there are more number of motions by the machine. So the type of injury to that region will be minimized because of this vibration and more movements, and using lesser sized cannulas. So power assisted liposuction has definite advantages over suction assisted liposuction in that regard. So we come to the third methods. There is a comparison between Vaser and laser. Both these methods have similar principles in which it lyses the fat, like in some regions like back, in all the patients, upper tummy, the area between the chest and the tummy. These are our regions with septations, and the fat is inside the tight cavities. So this fat is very difficult to suck through a suction assisted liposuction, or sometimes through a power assisted liposuction. So in those regions, Vaser has a definite benefit in which to give a vibration to the water inside the cells, and because of that vibration, fat cells come out. Also, this Vaser has an extra advantage of it heats the underlying tissues, especially collagen, and it gives some tightening underneath the skin. Also, because of the vibration, the fat comes down. You don't have to put too much mechanical energy into that region. So by that way, it gives very less damage to the nerves and the blood vessels in that region. So these are the areas in which Vaser is better than a power assisted liposuction and a suction assisted liposuction in these measures. So sometimes we combine Vaser with power assisted liposuction. That is one of the best methods we can do, in which we waste the fat, like we release the fat using a Vaser, and the section of the fat is done through power assisted liposuction. So that is one of the best method you can have for your fat removed from any of the regions, like from the back, from the sacral region, like, or the upper chest, or the lower chest, or the upper abdomen. These are usually difficult regions. From there also you can remove the fat by combining these two techniques. Laser liposuction is a new technique in which it's very similar to the VASER. Instead they use laser technology to lyse the fat. So VASER is a completely proven technique in which it doesn't create much injury to the surrounding regions and the fat cells. So it's ultimately it's a decision which method is going to suit you depending on your requirement, like, you know, how much fat is being aspirated, like in an EC region, like lower abdomen, or during a gynecomastia surgery. You can, even a suction assisted liposuction can do equally good job in selected patients, but definitely in a difficult patient or patients who are thin, who want a fine sculpting of the body, VASER, and when combined with power assisted liposuction, has definite advantages. So the purpose of this video was to educate you regarding these few techniques. So with this, at least you can have an idea about which method is going to suit your problem. So if you have more doubts regarding this problem, or if you have any doubts regarding any of these methods, you can ask us below this video. You can put your comments under this video, or you can even contact us in the numbers or email provided. Thank you.